it's Skillbyte here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to polish up some roughed up, kind of nasty looking plastic. I'm hoping the camera will pick that up. But and down here, it's old and it's been worn. I'll show you how to take care of that. The dog will let me. I'm going to be using this Chemo Buffer Polisher with the green pad that came with it. I am using Epic Finishing Polish by Malco. Links are in the description for the products, but you can use pretty much any product on this. It's really simple. Make sure it's a fine, like finishing polish. Make sure if you're doing a power tool, make sure it's down on like 2. And in this case, it's a little 4-inch one, which I like because it gives me better control. So you just put a little bit on the pad. You're gonna smear it. Now I already did some there. Gonna spread it out. Do not do it on the little thin plastic, and I wouldn't touch the glass. You don't have to press hard. Just keep it moving. It's concave, you may have to tip it just a little bit. Again, watch the plastic, this piece. All right, let's see how it's looking. So using a microfiber cloth, start wiping it off. And I should mention, you definitely want to clean it and degrease it before you do this. Get as much of the grease off as you can. That was really rough. This needs more work. Hopefully you can see it. A little more compound. Do not turn the machine on while there's fresh compound on it, because it'll throw it. You don't want that. Keep it moving, because this does create heat. This right here is pretty nasty. Right. Don't wait too long to wipe this off. It's harder to get off when it dries. So here is a good example of the cleaning. This, it's polished out pretty good, but I've tried to avoid the numbers here because this is just thin, and this is still pretty nasty like it was. But you can see here, nice shiny. And then we got our spots we got to go over some more. And just keep working it till it's all gone. So the microwave's been polished and it looks, I hope the camera's picking it up because it's 100% better. There's a couple spots that are still in it that aren't coming out from just a little polish, but it's still looking way better. And again, don't polish off your numbers. So now I'm going to move to the stove, and again, I'm going to avoid the numbers and just kind of clean it up a little bit. Be sure you've degreased as much as you can. So on the stove here, the lettering is a lot thicker. So I'm lightly polishing over it. Hopefully you can tell the difference here. The one here has been polished. The one on the right is not. And to polish these, have a little bit of compound along the outside edges here. Turn it on, I got it on 2. It may sling some compound. Try not to burn yourself. And don't hold it on the same spot for too long. And yes, you can touch it with your finger. It's not going to tear it off or anything. Looking much better. Almost like new. That's how you get the knobs. Polished everything. I hand polished the display here using the same soft pad with the same polishing compound, but I did it by hand because I didn't want to risk taking off any lettering or damaging it, and it came out quite well. This, you don't have to get in the middle. I mean, you can, but I didn't. And now, just using a wax. This is a car wax, but it is just a wax. Putting it on the microwave front and the oven here. The back of the oven, not the burners. Don't put wax on your burners. Almost final results. You can see, looks much, much, much better. Now, no, this has not been cleaned yet, but you can see how much better that looks. I hope it's showing in the video because it looks new now, whereas it looked used before. So, hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.